Friends, welcome you Research Needs. In this video we will see how to get a copyright free image or download a copyright free image from the Google, and how to check and verify it that it is a copyright free. So both things we will see in this video. So first of all, what we have to do, we will go on Google and search. Suppose I want jamun flowers image, so I'm writing here image for jamun flower. Enter. I will go in images and we will check. So in this, while you searching this type of image, don't go in front line. If you search from the front line, it will be easily detect. So you have to search deeply from the downside images, and which is royalty free or which is copyright free. So to get copyright free images, we have to go and search this properly and pick any image that is little bit not good, or if you want without copyright image and it is emergency, then that time you can select anyone which is not too good. So I am taking this one, it has some problem also. So we will visit this, and suppose we will save it in our desktop. Save the image. So we'll give it our name, jamun flower. We will save it in desktop. So now it is saved, and we will go and check it. So now we will go to check it. Here it is. We will right click and go in property. From here, what you have to do, go in detail, jamun flower, and remove the personal detail. From here you have to select remove, select all, remove the following properties from the file. So these all the file details will be removed from here. You have selected and OK. So now all detail it has removed. So here you can see everything is removed. Now what we will do, we will select and open it in Paint. Now the flower part you have to crop, because the leaves have some holes. So we will crop the flower part only. From here we will crop this much and click crop, and we will save it again in desktop. 2. Give name as per your requirement. Save. Now the image is ready with you. Now we will check it whether we can use it or not, it is copyright free or not. For that, what we will do, we will go in researchsop.com. click So you have to drag it down. Here you will find lab resources, that you have to click. Go bottom of this page. Here you will find on 6 number TNI, that you have to click, and we have to choose that image you have saved. Flower tree, this one. Open. Now we will check it is available online or not. So here you can see it is showing 0 match. If it is showing 0 match, it means that image is not available online. So another image I will show you, if it is available, how it is shows. Suppose I pick this one, previously download, and it has, you can see here, it has a many match. So this is how you can download any image from the Google that is copyright free, and you can check it again, it is copyright free or not, by this way. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.